Hi everybody, it's Peter Zalams, Griniflix Adventure 8. Welcome to another video. Today's video is an unboxing. It's an unboxing of the new Leica M11 black paint glossy version, including the lens. Yes, the special lens, the Noctilux f1.2 50mm, also in glossy black. This is going to be exciting. I must admit, I'm a fanboy of Leica black gloss paint cameras, and I've slowly been collecting a number of these. So my first one was the Leica M10R, and then I've recently found this second-hand but almost new Leica Summicron f2 35mm lens as well, which is in a black paint version. So those two go very well together, the body of the M10R black paint and also the glossy black paint, and also the lens. Very nice indeed. So you might be able to see that here as it reflects all the wonderful light. To add to that, I was able to get this I think it's Leica 1, also black paint gloss, and this one's got a 50mm f3.5 Elmar lens on there as well. I have shot one roll of film on this, and yet to process it, so hopefully all that should be good. But that's a fully functional camera. 1931 I think is the age of this camera. And then also I managed to pick up this film camera, an M6, and this is the Leica Society International Special Edition LHSA. I think this one was released in 2001, and that might have been to celebrate the 50 years of the Leica Historic Society Association. Now, I don't have a glossy black paint lens on this right now, but I might be able to pick up myself a very much used 50mm Summilux one in future videos that will be released once I get my hands on it, and so that will go well with this camera body as well. Alright, now, so the old one out was my M11, and when the M11 black paint glossy version was announced, I put my name down for it, needless to say. Now in Australia, to get the M11 in glossy black paint, you actually need to also at the same time order the 50mm f1.2 Noctilux as well. Let's unbox the new camera and the new lens. Oh, just a quick note, while you're watching this video, I'm not sure whether you knew, but I'm associated with a number of companies, and those companies can provide discounts to my viewers and subscribers. So all you need to do is go to adventure8.com.au. Just click on the website. Yes, just go shop discounts, and you find all the different companies that I'm associated with. So for example, SwiftX, so you can set up a crypto exchange and get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. iTECHWORLD for camping, lithium batteries, backup systems for your home. REDTIGER for dash cams, BOUNUS electric bikes, and all sorts of different discount levels are available, and there are discount codes associated with each one of those, whether it be Adventure 8 or something else. So just go to the website. I hope you can take advantage of the discounts, and back to the video. The packaging has changed. So here we've got the Noctilux lens, as well as the M11 original black paint version, and the new camera, the glossy version. And I don't know whether this also applies to any new cameras that come from Leica, whether they just have this new packaging as well. So it's gone from the silver boxes to this normal cardboard color boxes, so maybe that's to do with recycling and sustainability. So let's have a look. So I guess we open up the camera first, and let's just see what's going on here. Right. So you can see the cardboard box all opens up like that, which is all very nice, all very fancy. Here you have your box very nice with a little slip on top of that box so I can get rid of the main case there, and then we can slide that off as well, and there we go, the Leica box. So then we're just a matter of taking that, sliding this off, oops, putting that aside, and voila, there it is, the Leica M11 glossy paint version. So let's have a closer look at this. Yep, it looks pretty much the same as my M10R glossy paint version. So yep, very nice looking indeed. Now it is an M11, so the base plate here also is glossy paint, and then the battery that goes in here is also a glossy paint finish base as well. Alright, so let's just put that aside there. And we've got a case, we've got some other material in here. This is your guarantee, who made it and who inspected it, so that's good. Then you've got some paperwork in here, and then we've got a box. There's your battery. I have already charged this. I'll get onto the charger shortly, so I guess we can put that in there for now. And then you can see how the glossy black battery case here then matches up with the base of the camera as well. Very nice. And then you've got your charging cable, and then also on the other side you've got your strap, and that's about it. So the actual battery goes in there. I've already taken that out. There is nothing else in the box. So there is no charger. Well, you've got the charger cable. You don't actually have the charger unit with its own power cord and everything that you do actually get with the original M11. So whether that charger comes with the new version of the M11, just a normal black paint version or not, that's a good question. Anyone's got any comments or ideas on that, or Leica, let me know, and I can update the video in the description later on if necessary. Let's have a look at the lens. Yes, the Noctilux 1.2 50mm black gloss version. Alright, so similar case, so we can put that aside. Similar arrangement with the sleeve, so we can put that aside as well, and also similar arrangement with a box that slides open like that. Alright, and then the first thing you notice is the back plate, or the back cup for the lens, glossy. Then you've got a lens shade which is also glossy, which says f1.2 50mm spherical. Very nice. And then take that out, and then your lens is there in its own little cartridge here, which is great. And then, as you'd probably expect with your documentation, that's also in here. M lenses, Leica, Noctilux, your certificate of originality and signed, and a little brochure. That's great. So we can put all that aside as well, and that's good. And then when we undo this, there we go. Get rid of that. And some more foam here. And then we can mount the lens from the base plate here. And there it is. There's your Noctilux black paint gloss version, looking very nice. And with the Leica lens, Leica lens cap, with all Leica written on it there. And now we can actually mount this onto the camera, which is quite exciting. Wow, look at that. Does that look good or what? Then we put the lens hood on, and there it is. Glossy black paint, M11 with a Noctilux f1.2. Pretty fancy. Does it go well with my 35mm focal length M10R? Very nice indeed. So yeah, basically both cameras look very similar, and with the different lenses they look spectacular in my opinion. What do you think? Yes, I'm looking forward to going out and actually taking some photographs, and now that I've got this new camera and lens, aesthetically pleasing to the eye. I'm sure my photographs won't be any better, or well, hopefully they won't be any worse. And but yeah, very nice. Here we go. Look at this. So we've got the black paint glossy version and the black paint version. So now you can actually see the two cameras with their respective lenses, the anodized black and also the glossy black. So side by side you can actually see all the reflections and how they look different as well, like so, with the engraving slightly different. Yeah, very nice. So which would you go for? Would you go for the glossy paint or the anodized paint? That one or that one? What do you think? Like that? Do you like the red dot? Do you prefer not to have the red dot? I am actually embarked on a project right now with my black paint cameras, and I'm calling it Leica in Glamour. I do photography. I have my photo studio and I do photograph models, help them create their portfolio, and I thought I'd create a series of photographs with the different Leica M cameras that I have, and actually photograph the models with the cameras. Be able to bring out a book sometime next year with the different images, so I'll promote that on my website and also in YouTube here on my channel when that becomes available. But as a sneak preview, I can leave you with a couple of photographs of a couple of models that I've taken recently with the Leica 1 and also with the Leica M10R. Thanks again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then give it a thumbs up. If it's the first time to my channel, you haven't already subscribed, then do subscribe. Press subscribe, press the bell, press notifications. You'll be notified when the next video is out. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.